I'm Logan Miller, Associate Professor of Anthropology at ISU, and welcome to Noble-Wieting. So this is the 2023 Archaeological Field School. We have 10 students in class. We're excavating a 700-year-old Native American village. So about 1300 AD, give or take a couple of decades from there. We have the remains of about 40 buildings are just a foot or so under the cornfield here. They're essentially as they have looked for 700 years. What we really try to do is do everything. So there's digging, there's every piece of dirt that comes out of the ground goes into a bucket and goes into our screens, which have a 1/4 inch mesh in there. So anything above a 1/4 of an inch we are keeping. I just love seeing the learning that happens and seeing the excitement on the students as they're working through things here, and just seeing that progression of where most of them have had archaeology classes, so they kind of know, book-wise how things work. But they're also very apprehensive because they don't really know exactly what they're going to be expected to do and how they're going to, recognize things and if they're going to do it right. But very, very quickly they pick up until we get to the point where in the last week and I can spend my time just chatting with you all, and they're all running along and doing their thing.
That's what I love the most, is that you're literally touching history. You're touching something that someone else created 800, 700 years ago, and you don't really get to do that. Like, you can go to museums and look at it, but you don't ever get to touch it. So that's what makes archaeology so cool to me.